Sometimes being black isn't a bad thing, but sometimes being too much rainbow is maybe a bad thing. Alright, we have reached the stage where literally everything can be RGB, but does this product that actually goes against the flow of a rainbow unicorn, can this product actually stand out against its competitors? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel right here at Chester and Unboxing. Today we'll be taking a look at a very unique product from Cooler Master. This is the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition. So what's good about this? Basically, it's a black edition. So instead of your typical, typical cooler, then you got your RGB fan, and then you got the liquid cooler, and then you got the RGB fan. Yeah, this does none of that. This is purely a black fin with black fan, with black top, with black pipes. Everything is black. So if it's your style, this will be right up your alley. But anyway, let's take a closer look. So this is the product itself. It's a new packaging because it's actually updated to support the LGA 1700 socket from Intel. So actually stay tuned because we're actually going to feature this cooler in a streamer based PC. So you might want to get subscribed to us and share and save our channel for when that video will drop. Okay, around the box we'll see the blown up view of what this cooler will be and all the stuff that it will be. Okay, so let's open this up. Okay, so included in the box is as follows. We have the accessory box, we have the actual cooler itself, the fan is already attached to it. Okay, warranty and your instructions. This is very important, especially if you haven't installed a Cooler Master cooler before. This will help you a lot because it will explain to you the step-by-step guide on how to install your cooler. Okay, the silicon, and that's about it. So what's good about this cooler is that primarily this is a 4 heat pipe cooler. So that's 4 split into left and right. Okay, this has direct contact as usual with the Cooler Master coolers. Okay, and the fan, this is a non-RGB fan, so like it, hate it, is here. So although they have a variant that is the black edition but with an RGB fan, so that's actually pretty cool because it's like all black then with RGB on it. So it actually accentuates the light effect. Okay, so it is capable of cooling even non-thread ripple, of course, but it's capable of cooling the new 12 gen Intel processors. So included is only one fan, but they actually give you a pair of clips to install a second fan if you want extra cooling. Okay, so this fan itself, right, this fan runs from 800 to 2000 RPM. Okay, it's a Silencio FP120. In terms of static pressure, it can produce up to 2.9 mmH2 of static pressure, so that's actually fairly good. But for air coolers, okay lah. I mean, it's more for liquid coolers, yeah. But in terms of air, it can push up to 42 CFM, and noise maximum is about 26 decibels. So 26 is not that. 26 is quite quiet actually. So you don't need to worry about it being too loud. Okay. So in terms of the compatibility, right, it supports almost everything, like from the latest 1700 for Intel all the way until the 115 series. Okay, for AMD side, you will support AM4, 3, 2, FM, all the way until FM1. So yes, it does come with a very wide supported range of sockets. So let's measure the dimensions of the cooler. Okay, so in terms of the height, most importantly, most cases they cannot support more than 160 something. Okay, so this cooler, the height, it is about 156 mm. Perfect. Okay, in terms of the width, it is about 16 cm. Yeah, so that's about 4.5 inches. Okay, in terms of the depth, whatever lah. In terms of that, it is about 6 cm, so that's about 2.5 inches. Okay, so all in all, this is quite a capable cooler because it is, you know, it is from the legendary Hyper 212 series, so you know you can't really go wrong with that. Yeah, and yeah, even the top is like brushed metal, so that is like nice. So we'll show some performance numbers, right? So under Prime 95, you can see that I'm running a Intel 12th Gen Core i7 12700. So under Prime 95, you can see that it manages it and it doesn't overload it. So it is very, very, very nice and it can does the job. Okay, take note that for that test, I'm actually running 2 fans, one push, one pull. Okay, so yeah, if not before that, so let's take a look at the accessory box. Okay, so the accessory box, right, it comes with another pair of clips as mentioned for your second fan. Okay, and it comes with a 1:2 power splitter. So when you put the second fan, you don't need to put like 2 into your motherboard. You can just use this to hook up one, and then you can just use that one single channel inside the BIOS or your software to tweak your fan curve. Included is your accessories. So this is the rear bracket. Okay, and this is the other one. So they will explain in the manual which one is for which, so make sure you use the manual to decide which bracket to use for which socket. Alright, if not, that's about it for the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Black Edition. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.